Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you what I'm seeing. And looking at this again, I'm realizing, oh, maybe I'm stupid. That's the problem here. User error. I have to admit, I have administrator, and I've always had administrator privileges with every place I've worked with at LibGuide. So I think I had a brain default on what I was looking for. So Walter, it sounds like you and I both went to the same place. Yeah, we went to the little settings here. When I clicked on guide editors, I can't see any names. And actually that's what made me assume that I didn't have guide editor status. You can also see I don't have the capability, since I'm not an administrator here, to add editors at any point. So I'm not sure who the owner is. It seems like maybe Israel might be the owner, and Walter, you might have admin level. I think perhaps adding at least Row as another administrator would be great, if you can do that, because Walter, since you can see all of our names, you must have one of those statuses. To get to Row's original question, yeah, Walter, if you can add, I think her name was Natasha Alvarez, I think that would be great. And then, yeah, see if, as an admin level person, Walter, maybe you could probably go ahead and already add Row in as an administrator, no problem. Or again, that might be a question for Israel. So anyway, yep, so yep, looks like editing, fine, good. I just had that administrator status in my mind because that's what I'm used to seeing. So sorry for my confusion, but it also answers the question of Row. No, it looks like I can't add Natasha Walter well. So thanks, bye.